Why is enzyme regulation important for MCAT Biochem? Have you ever wondered how our bodies maintain balance? A big part of that is through enzyme regulation, which is vital for understanding biology and biochemistry on the medical college admission test. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reactions without being used up. But what happens if they are not regulated? Uncontrolled enzyme activity can lead to wasteful or harmful reactions, which is why cells have developed several ways to keep enzymes in check. One key mechanism is allosteric regulation. This occurs when molecules bind to an enzyme at a site other than the active site. This binding can change the shape and activity of the enzyme, either increasing or decreasing its function. For instance, the enzyme aspartate transcarbamylase is regulated by its end product, cytidine triphosphate. When levels of cytidine triphosphate are sufficient, it binds to the enzyme and reduces its activity. On the flip side, adenosine triphosphate acts as an activator, ensuring that nucleotide synthesis is balanced. Another method of regulation is covalent modification. This involves adding or removing chemical groups, like phosphate groups, which can change how an enzyme works. This allows cells to turn enzyme functions on or off or adjust their activity levels based on signals from hormones or environmental changes. Cells also control substrate access and enzyme levels. They can regulate whether substrates reach enzymes and manage the production or breakdown of enzymes to maintain the right concentrations. This prevents unnecessary reactions from happening. Feedback inhibition is a common control method as well. In this process, the end product of a metabolic pathway inhibits an early enzyme in that pathway. This prevents overproduction and helps conserve resources. It is an energy-efficient way to stop the entire pathway when the product is abundant. For those preparing for the medical college admission test, understanding enzyme regulation is essential. It connects concepts of metabolism, kinetics, and cellular control. Many questions will test your knowledge of how enzymes respond to inhibitors or activators and how these changes affect reaction rates. Knowing these mechanisms is key for interpreting experimental data and understanding physiological processes relevant to medical school. Enzyme regulation explains how cells maintain balance and respond to changes in their environment. This makes it a fundamental topic for anyone studying biology and biochemistry, especially for the medical college admission test.